Hello, so my name is Tyler Schultz, and today we will be working with the website or app called Popplet. Popplet is a good app for organizing information, creating a web for ideas, even kind of showing any kind of information you would want to use. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about the basics of how to use Popplet, make an example Popplet, and then I have some examples already made for you. So the first step whenever you make a Popplet is obviously to sign up. It's not hard. You just type in an email and a password, and then you're in. Once you're in Popplet, you'll see this screen. Obviously mine says hello Tyler because my name's Tyler. You can register with whatever name you want. So the first step is to come up to sort of the left hand corner and select make new Popplet. When you do that, a screen pops up, small screen. The first step is to name your Popplet. So I'm going to name this Popplet Musical Instruments Families. And then you can pick a color, any color. It'll be the background of the board where the Popplet is. So I'm just going to pick blue for now. It doesn't make a difference. And then you click Make It So. So right here you see up at the top, we have Musical Instrument Families. That's the title of our Popplet. Whenever I want to make a new popple, which would be kind of the middle, I would just double click on the screen and a popple comes up, or a word bubble more or less. So in the middle of the word bubble, I'm going to make this for a music class, obviously, and it's going to be about musical instrument families. So that'll be my main idea. I'll type in musical instrument families. So that is my main bubble. What I want to do is right now I'm going to type in a bunch of different families and then kind of organize everything from there. So on the right here I'll put brass family. Whenever I want to make a new Popplet off the side though, what I do, like you saw, I just click these little things and you can drag them anywhere. Just like this one, you can just drag the box and it'll go any which direction you want, but I'm just going to put it off to the side for now. Up next we will put string instruments, and then we'll drag that off a little bit more to the side, and then we will put percussion. So right now you see I have my 3 families, and I can drag and organize them to put them however I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new popple off of each one, and let's say I wanted to put an image into the popple. All I would do is click on the little frame that has an image in it and it says upload things. I'm going to select the computer from your computer, and then what pops up will be the files from your computer. You can just select the image you want to put in and it pops in for you. You can adjust the size of the popple with these corners. They're like little triangles. You can adjust that and then drag that around any way you choose. So we'll go ahead and fill in the rest of the families. We'll put a trumpet where the brass family is, and we'll keep it bigger. And then percussion, we'll drag this up a little bit, drag this up a little bit. We'll upload an image in there. Actually, we'll put, so one of the instruments is the drums. And if you want to type in, all you have to do is single click and type in what you want. You can adjust the size of the text, and you can also change the color of the popples so they can be different. So if I wanted to differentiate my different instrument families, I could just kind of make them different colors like that. And then when it automatically saves, if you wanted to share it anywhere, you could click the share. So what I want to do is I'll go back to my home, and so that would be for music. If I wanted to do something for a math class, I could kind of, like you see here, I differentiated the odd and even numbers from 1 through 10 with different objects that represented the numbers, and I even put in a video down at the bottom of counting from 1 through 10 for even and odd numbers. And another class that you can make it would be science class. You could use this, kind of put the sun in the middle, make an idea, a web, different facts that different groups in your room maybe come up with about the sun. So whenever you're done, you would just go home, and that's where everything is located in your Popplet. So that is a quick crash course on how to use Popplet and different ideas you could use for science class, music class, and math class. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you use Popplet inside of your classroom.